Airports can feel like a battlefield: long lines, confusing terminals, overpriced food, and constant stress. For many travelers over 60, the chaos starts before the vacation even begins. But there's a smarter way. While most are stuck navigating outdated systems and frustrating delays, savvy senior travelers have cracked the code. They've discovered ways to glide through airports with minimal hassle, and today, those secrets are being revealed. This isn't just about avoiding inconvenience, it's about transforming the entire travel experience. From packing strategies to bypassing rental car nightmares, here are 11 powerful airport hacks seasoned travelers over 60 swear by. Number 1. Carry-on mastery: less weight, more freedom. Packing light isn't just a convenience, it's a superpower. Traveling with carry-on only eliminates the risks of lost luggage, checked bag fees, and endless baggage claim waits. It's also a game changer when walking through cobblestone streets in Europe or catching last-minute flights. But sometimes, checking a bag is unavoidable. In that case, stand in the line nearest to the priority counter. Agents often call people over from that area when they're done with priority passengers. It's a subtle trick that can save you 15-30 minutes, especially during peak hours. And one more rule: always pack a personal survival kit, a change of clothes, medications, toiletries, and essentials for 48 hours. It's your safety net when plans fall apart. To stay one step ahead, slip an Apple AirTag or Tile Pro inside your checked luggage. If the airline loses your bag, you'll still know where it is even when they don't. Number 2. Secret security shortcuts that save time. Most travelers herd into the main security checkpoint without realizing there are often alternative lanes that are far less crowded. Many large airports have secondary screening points hidden away, easily found using airport maps or mobile apps. Even better, reserve a security time slot in advance. Many US and international airports now offer services like Clear Reserve, letting you book a time online, no paid membership required. Just walk in at your chosen time and skip the chaos. For frequent travelers, TSA PreCheck is non-negotiable. It lets you breeze through security with your shoes and laptop still packed. Returning from abroad? Global entry speeds up immigration dramatically. And here's an underrated gem: Mobile Passport Control, MPC. It's free, easy to use, and often faster than global entry. Complete your passport info via the app before landing and use a dedicated line to get through faster. Pro travelers download both MPC and use whichever has the shorter line. Number 3. Rental car hassle? Skip it with Turo. Standing in line at a rental counter, only to get an overpriced car you didn't even choose, can ruin your first day of travel. That's why experienced travelers are shifting to Turo, the largest peer-to-peer car sharing platform. It works like Airbnb, but for cars. Choose from thousands of models, coordinate directly with the host, and skip the rental desk entirely. Many hosts will even deliver the car to your hotel or terminal. It's faster, cheaper, and eliminates surprise fees. Number 4. Tech tricks that save your sanity. Ever had your phone freeze at the boarding gate, unable to load your boarding pass? Avoid the stress by creating multiple backups. Save the boarding pass to your airline app. Add it to your phone's wallet. Screenshot it. Print a hard copy. Redundant? Maybe. Worth it? Always. Another time saver: order food via app while heading to your gate. Most airport restaurants offer mobile ordering now. No more standing in 30-minute Starbucks lines. Even better, apps like Grab or At Your Gate allow you to order from multiple spots and schedule pickup. Number 5. Airport lounges aren't just for the elite. Think lounges are only for first-class flyers? Not anymore. Programs like Priority Pass give access to hundreds of lounges worldwide with free meals, drinks, Wi-Fi, and comfortable seating. Even without a membership, many lounges offer day passes, often with senior discounts up to 20%. A little pre-trip research can turn a chaotic layover into a rejuvenating break. Some lounges even include nap rooms and showers, perfect after long-haul flights. Number 6. Book smarter, not cheaper. That third-party deal might look good, but when your flight gets canceled, you're stuck with terrible customer support and zero flexibility. Always book directly with the airline, and pay using a premium travel credit card like Chase Sapphire Preferred, Capital One Venture X, Amex Platinum. These cards offer built-in travel protections like trip delay, cancellation coverage, and lost luggage insurance, saving you thousands if things go wrong. Number 7. React fast when flights get canceled. The moment your flight is canceled, open your airline's app and try to rebook yourself. Seats on alternate flights disappear in seconds. While the app reloads, also head to the customer service desk and call the airline at the same time. That's your two-pronged strategy. Want to skip the line even faster? Call the airline's international number, e.g., the UK or Canadian customer support line. These offices often have shorter hold times and can rebook you just like US agents can. Number 8. Parking strategy that saves money and sleep. Airport parking can cost over $80 a day. But there's a workaround: Park Sleep Fly hotels. Book a hotel near the airport that offers free or discounted long-term parking with a one-night stay. Sleep well the night before your flight, leave your car at the hotel, and take their free shuttle to the terminal. It's cheaper than airport parking and far less stressful than a 4 a.m. drive. Number 9. Choose your seat like a pro. Not all economy seats are created equal. Some have limited recline, are next to noisy lavatories, or require climbing over others to get up. Before choosing a seat, consult tools like SeatGuru, Seatmaps.com. These platforms reveal everything: extra legroom spots, seat width, power outlets, and proximity to bathrooms. If you have mobility issues, use these tools to pick a seat that minimizes walking or avoids stairs. This small step can make a big difference. Number 10. Avoid airport currency exchange traps. Exchanging cash at airport kiosks might be the biggest tourist scam out there. Rates can be up to 13% worse than the actual exchange rate. Instead, use a no foreign transaction fee credit card for purchases and withdraw cash from ATMs when needed. The crucial detail? Always choose to be charged in the local currency. When an ATM asks if you want to convert to your home currency, decline. That helpful option hides awful exchange rates. Travel doesn't have to be exhausting, chaotic, or confusing. With just a bit of preparation and the right tools, flying can feel smooth, efficient, even enjoyable. These hacks weren't designed for 20-something backpackers. They're tailored for smart, seasoned travelers who value comfort, time, and peace of mind. Which hack will you try on your next trip? Like and subscribe.